Is even more disheartening as June marks Gun Violence Awareness Month. Advocates today gathered in Ballard Park, filling the area with a sea of orange in honor of Wear Orange Day. This day serves as a reminder of all of the lives lost to gun violence, like 17-year-old DeJuan Coward, who was killed in 2021 right in Ballard Park. Photojournalist Addie Hill and I share the pleas of mothers who have lost their children to these senseless acts of gun violence.
Again, these are individuals in our city who have been killed by gun violence just this year. Deon R. Smith.
On June the 7th, 2021, I received a call that my son had got shot. On June the 9th, they finally told me it was over, that my baby was not going to survive. It turned my whole world upside down.
K.O.L. Thomas.
All I got to say is enough is enough. Put the guns down. We done lost too many.
Kevin Artis.
It's time for everybody to live. We want to see y'all grow. Just let it go. Whatever the beef is, let it go. It's time to stop.
Jashawn Crook.
Be about your community. We don't have to live in Smoketown to be about Smoketown. You don't have to live in the West End to be about the West End.
Jeffrey Wayne Wilson.
Part of our mission as an organization is to educate the public. And so this is an opportunity for us to spread the word and educate the public about the epidemic of gun violence in our country, and to help enlist others in the drive to notify our legislators that something has to be done, that we've got to start looking at our policies and our laws to address this epidemic that we have in our country. It seemed like we all just talk at each other or around each other or over each other, and we've got to start talking to each other.
Wear Orange Day was started in memory of 15-year-old Hadia Pendleton, who was shot and killed in 2013. Her friends commemorated her life by wearing orange, which is the color hunters wear in the woods to protect themselves and others. Approximately 119,000 Americans are victims of gun violence every year.